Hey guys, do you guys see these 3 bare spots right here? Well, we hope you're not going to see them for long. We got one spot right here.
One spot right here.
One spot right here. And one spot right here. Now what we're going to do is use this 3-in-1 combination seed, fertilizer, and mulch repair kit. That's called GrowTrax Patch and Repair. And basically what you do is you nail this into the ground with some landscaping spikes, and then you water it and you wait, and grass should come.
Yeah, and I'm basically going to be a cameraman for a bit of this video.
Yeah, Jack's gonna film because this is kind of like a 2-person job here.
I mean, you guys are on tripod. When you get in the backyard, I'm done with us. Put you guys in one spot.
All right, perfect. Well, why don't we get started?
Yeah, why don't we? Where are we starting?
Let's start right here. So guys, you can see we've already kind of prepped the area a little bit.
Yeah.
By raking it and getting all the dead stuff out of the way.
Time to roll you guys down.
The next thing we need to do, of course, is unwrap the package, right?
Yep.
Can't do anything without that. Now, I brought a pair of scissors with me because I think this might be the easiest way to cut it. And once you get all the packaging out of the way, the fun part starts. So, here's what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to cut this little piece off because that has teeth on it. We don't want teeth on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it at the worst spot, right here.
This spot is so... I got this ability to sit down, which is so much nicer.
Yeah, right? Now, Jack had a great idea to use these landscaping spikes, which you guys may have seen us use in other videos for other things.
Yeah. Like the Foul Boss build,
Exactly.
that we made a couple of months ago. Which
Look
is
how
not
easy
doing
that is,
so
guys.
good. So
That's exciting how easy that was.
And don't touch that posit day, by the way.
Yeah.
We did a ton of fun posits.
You can see how easy this is, guys, right? You just...
We bought this from Home Depot a couple of years ago. But we might need that one day. Why not buy it? And then 2 years later, we'll finally be buying it. Basically.
Yeah. And you can see we're trying to use as little as possible because I want to make this stuff last. We got quite a few spots, to be honest, guys. Not the greatest.
Yeah. They actually start working in this neighborhood.
Well, I got hope for this stuff. What do you think, Jack?
Yeah. Tonight at the passage, I want to show them something. So, in 2 weeks, this is what it should look like. Nope, that's the wrong area. 2 weeks and 5 weeks. This is 2 weeks, it will look like that, most people then, and then 5 weeks, it will look like that, fully filled in. Which is kind of nice. I just wanted to show you that. I want to make sure you can see it too.
Alright, spot 1 complete.
Spot 2, heading 2. Now, it's so nice because all I have to do is just move you guys a bit.
Spot 2 is a little bigger than spot 1. So we'll have to do a little bit more.
I am a liberty. Alright. We're trying to do this in a one-shot video.
I think we can, because this is pretty fast. I mean, you just roll it.
Do you know why? I don't feel like putting it through an editing program and waiting 4 hours for it to be done.
I don't blame you, Jack. Oh, getting a little windy here.
Yeah. We did the pet roll art camera.
Yeah, we saved you guys the trouble of having to watch that. We want to keep you engaged in the stuff that matters. Not that prep doesn't matter, but you know what I mean.
Yeah. Yes. That's what this basically it is told to be 2:47. We started the pep at 10. That's how long it took.
Had a couple breaks. Dad got sick for a little bit.
Threw up in the gas can.
It's gonna happen, guys. That's gonna happen. True story, though. I did throw up in the trash can. If you're gonna throw up, it's good to be by a trash can, right?
Yep.
Our yard's gonna look weird for a few weeks, but who cares?
Only for 2 weeks, and then it should. I mean, only for a couple of days, maybe.
And I'll grow in.
It
People
does-
being like, what is in their yard?
2 weeks it will be mostly filled in.
Right?
Yeah. I'll show you it later. The what it should look like in 2 weeks. We'll give you some updates. Try and get you some good shots here. Spot fee, I'm assuming.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, in the case you're wondering what you guys are going to, and in case you're wondering what you guys are on, let me show you. You guys are on Jacks. Put my iPad right there, and then you basically can raise it up, bar yoto. You can put it down. The bomb. The opal. Oh, no. Can't find any more spice. Might be a tip to Rose on our hands. Then we'll just restart the video. Guys, we had the bit of a problem. We don't have any more spice to narrow it down with. That's a whose problem, I should say. So now we're following my dad.
You know, it says, Jack, after you wet it, it stays in place. So maybe we don't need it. You want to test it by wetting these?
Yeah,
See if they stay in place?
we're going to actually try something. Because we might need to one of those, we might not. Either way, we don't care. And the rose is shut, but
I think we don't need it because if it gets windy, they're going to fly all over the place.
well,
So we'll try it.
let's try it. Put the knife up higher. Because you guys are now on a tripod.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of love the way this came out, but here's the deal. I still think we need to fight.
I still don't.
You don't think we need them?
Well,
Don't put. Because what I'm thinking is that'll at least keep it down level.
I still won't forgive you this spice.
You want to try without it?
Well, yeah. Because, I mean, it could get, because I think like what this does, it like melts it into the down.
Yeah.
It's what I do.
Alright.
Alright, well, who's going through that yard?
No. You gotta do this.
Oh! Yeah, my fault. There's no way to it down. I said, yeah, man. Listening to the YMCA. Tone it me.
Yeah. That's fine with you, right?
Yeah. There's absolutely no way that those are going to blow away. I mean, they were empty and all, but yeah, that's okay. You guys are also going to go on another tripod. Hey, Dad, can I help?
You want to water or do you want to cut?
I kind of want to wait. Waffle. I'll get those. I'll be the water tool. Kind of also our last name, Waffle. As you know.
See what I need there?
Well, it's just because it does not have any water. Alright, first spot done. To be honest, I think we might need more.
I know. I was just thinking that too.
Home Depot. I don't even know if they have it anymore.
Yeah, I don't know either. I'll keep laying them down and you keep spraying them with it.
Yeah, I'll say that.
I like this stuff. What do you think? See if it works first, but.
I'll be the water girl.
Yeah, we definitely need more.
Okay, well,
But let's get the front door done at least.
I'll water it.
Freaking love this stuff. It's so easy.
Two fucking dogs, but
Hold on. Let me get this one.
now my sandal is wet. I'm gonna take a tip bait.
You gotta spray that.
I'm gonna wipe down my sandal and then I'll
Alright.
do it. Now we know. Buy 2 rolls next time we use this.
Just one little spray over here. We need more. I think one more would be good because we don't have as many spots up there.
No, but they're big though.
Yeah. We'll spray that guy so it doesn't go flying and then we'll go.
Okay. You see people. Are we out?
Huh?
I said, are we out?
Yeah.
Okay. That does not cover them up. I think we should get 2.
Yeah.
Or 3 maybe. We should get more than 1.
Let's get 2, yeah.
Because, okay. We are completely out of the stuff that we need. So yeah, we are going to make a part 2 on this video. But anyways, wait decide and put those notifications on. But anyways, bye. Alright, I ended that video.